3 tips on how to style your note. Would you like to save time while also automating edits and making your notes look really, really great? Then this video is for you. We will show you how to update headers fast and easy, and how to find and replace terms within your note, and how you can even add YouTube videos inline in your notes. My name is Johanna, and joining me today is Julian. We are both on the customer success team here at Evernote. Thank you for joining us, Julian.
Thanks for having me, Johanna. It's a pleasure to be here with you today. I'm also on the EMEA customer success team here in Europe. So willkommen, binazvenit, kalos ήρθατε, and welcome.
So before we jump into the live demo part of this video, there are a few things I would like to mention. We always demo from an Evernote business account, but if you're not an Evernote business users, no worries. All these features that we are showing today will be available for all our personal users as well. If your Evernote looks a little bit different, you're like, I don't know, I'm not seeing what they're showing. Make sure you go to evernote.com/download to download the newest version of our application today. So, Julian, tell me, why are those features that you're showing us today so key to anyone using Evernote?
So as we know, switching between different windows can be timely and adds to the information overload effect. But in addition to this, nobody really likes doing repetitive tasks. So we're going to combine some of the editor's new features to help you finish your edits twice as fast.
Really cool. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it. All right, now let's get to it. So here's my Evernote account, and I like working full screen to avoid distractions. So I want to show you the header updating option that we have now. So I would like to bring your attention to the purple text and the blue text. So I've set the purple text to be a large header and the blue text to be small header. I'm going to show you later on how to do that. Now, let's say that we want to change all of the large headers so they can match in their formatting. All I have to do is select the text, change the color. Let's say we want to make it green, and we want to change the font to script. Now you can still see that it's still like that. So we can just go ahead and update large header to match. Just like that, all of the large headers are changed.
Oh, that's nice, right? Cool. Yes.
Yeah. And we can do the same also for the small headers. Likewise, we can turn it into, let's say, a red color. And we can change it also to monospace this time and go ahead and update small header to match. So now all of the small headers are red with the new font.
That's really
cool. I know, right?
Yeah, now, so fast.
Yeah, it can save you a lot of time. And an example is that I would like to show you is, let's say that we're at the bottom of the text. We want to create a new header. All we have to do is go over there, select large header, and then start typing in Evernote Business, working remotely. Now, let's say we want to add a YouTube link here. All right, so let's switch back to YouTube, click on the share option, copy the link, go back to Evernote, Command V for Mac, Control V for Windows, and then hit enter, and voila. We have a YouTube video within Evernote, which you can click on play. And without having to switch between different tabs, you can just watch the video as you please. Now, it's also nice that if you click on it, you can also make it large or full width, or even title only. So it looks like an attachment.
That is cool. So I can watch YouTube videos right from my note.
Yeah, that's right.
That's awesome.
And to add to that, we can also go ahead and add from the insert option, which we can see there's also a lot of other stuff over here. One of my favorite, if you use Google Drive, you can just click on it, select a file from Google Drive, click on it, and then click the option select. And just like that, it's going to pop up over there for you to have an easy access, as well as everyone that is part of this note and have access to it.
That's really awesome.
Yeah, same happens also with drag and drop of existing files from our computer. So I can just drag and drop this PDF over there. The first time I do it, it shows like that. If you don't like it, no worries. Just click on it, make it view as an attachment, and then it's just going to show in line with the rest of the stuff.
So basically, I can have all the things that are important to me in one place in a note, like for a topic or something.
Exactly, yeah. So you just have everything in one place.
That's awesome.
So I want to close this demonstration today with the find and replace feature. So this article, being about remote workers, has a lot of words. So with Command F on Mac, Control F on Windows, we have the find and note feature. So if we type in remote, we see here it found 31 results. And if we click on the 3 dots for the more options, let's replace that with home office. In this case, we can see it's all highlighted over here within the note. An example, right? Replace all, how managers can support home office employees instead of remote. And just like that, we avoided doing this 31 times.
That is really time saving for sure. So Julian just demonstrated the following features in Evernote: how to update headers, how to find and replace keywords in a note, and how to watch YouTube videos right from a note. Mind blown. If you would like to have some more information, there is some articles linked below on these features in the description box.
This was fun. Thank you very much, Johanna. And if you don't already have Evernote on your desktop device or your mobile device, you can go for desktop at evernote.com/download and download the Evernote application and on the app stores from Android and iOS. And don't forget, you can always reach out to us at the email address customersuccess@evernote.com. And if you're new to Evernote business and you want to know more, you can always contact our sales team using the link in the description below.
Awesome. And also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share this video, or subscribe to this channel for all things Evernote.